Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to discuss another process to draw a triangle on a canvas. Prior to this, we have already discussed many other shapes like a simple line. We discussed how to draw a circle, how to draw a rectangle, and how to draw a trapezoid. But in this session, we will discuss how we can create a triangle on a canvas. Now, some of you might be thinking like why we are drawing all kind of shapes, because by doing the practice of these basic shapes like triangle, circle, rectangle, trapezoid, you will get to know about the actual concept of drawing and setting the coordinates for drawing the picture or image on the canvas. Okay, so that's why we are doing these basic session, and maybe in the next session also, like, we will discuss about one more shape, and then we will move further for the topics. Okay, so by the end of this session we will be able to understand how we can draw a triangle on a canvas, how to pass the coordinates to a canvas. Clear? So fine, I think now we can proceed, but before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for now we will be just focusing on the triangle part, like how we can draw the triangle. Clear? All right, so now if you look at the code is straightforward. Here you can see we have one title in the head section and one heading. Now if you save it and refresh your browser, you will see that HTML by text Sharmit is printing here. That is fine, right? All right, so now let's set the another heading. So here I will mention process to draw a process to draw a triangle on canvas. Okay, process to draw a triangle on canvas. So this is the subheading. Now to draw a triangle, we firstly need a canvas, that is for sure, right? So let's draw the canvas. So I'll write canvas here in the same elements. Now we will set the ID for this canvas, because ID is something that we would need while connecting it with the JavaScript. So here I can give the name as canvas1. You can decide any name, it's up to you, but just make sure that whenever you are using or accessing it through your JavaScript, at that time you have to put the same exact name. ID is set. Now what we will do, we will set the width. So here I will write 600 pixel as a width. Then we will set as height, where 300 pixels would be height. Now you can save it and refresh your browser. So after a refresh, you will find that nothing is coming here. Why? Because we have not set the styling yet. So to set the styling, you can write here style, and then we will mention the border 5px solid black. Okay, all right, so now if you save it and refresh your browser, you will see now the canvas has been added. So is it the shape? No, it's not actually the shape. Instead of that, it is you can say it is the paper or a kind of sheet where we are going to draw the image. Okay, so we are just going to draw the shape on it, but this is not actually the shape. This is just a paper, and on this paper we will draw a triangle. Clear? Fine. So we are ready with the canvas. It's time to write a script for it, so that we can draw the image. So for that we will write here we will simply write script. In script we will mention the basic things first, like we will set the variable c, where c, which is nothing but a way to connect your element from the HTML page. So here I will write document get element by ID, and here inside this we will pass the ID, which is canvas1. So let's put canvas1. Then we will put here where ctx equal c dot, and then we will mention c dot get context. Remember one thing, JavaScript is completely case sensitive, so whatever you are writing, please make sure you are writing in the same case. If I'm writing get element by ID with a small g, capital E, capital B and capital I, then it should be in the same manner. If you try to use it with capital G here, it will not work. Okay, so always make sure that you are providing the information exactly I'm providing here. Okay, because this is something mandatory for all of us. Fine. So with these two lines, what we did so far, like we have connected our element, which is the canvas, with the canvas1 ID with this script. Then we set the context, which is for 2D shape. So it is basically showing that we are using the 2D shape. We are going to draw the 2D shape. Now after that, what we are going to do, we are going to start the drawing, actual drawing. So for that, you can write here ctx dot beginPath. So what it will do now, it will simply initiate, or it will simply tell that we are going to draw a new path or new drawing. Okay, so this is the first line. After that, we will set the starting point. So to set the starting point, you need to write here ctx dot moveTo. Then we can provide the coordinate as per the triangle shape. So I'm providing like this. You can also use the same coordinate. If you want to change it, but you can change, but make sure that you are providing the right coordinates for the triangle. Okay, so with this line, what we set the starting point. Now we will set other remaining points. So for that, I'll write ctx dot lineTo. In line 2, we will mention 180, 100. Okay, then we will mention ctx dot lineTo 20, 100. Okay, then we will set another line, which is ctx dot lineTo 20, 100. Then we will write ctx dot lineTo, and this one we will use for ending the shape, or you can say that to set the last point of the shape. Okay, so what we did, like firstly we connect the element with this var_c with the script. Then we define the context, which is telling that we are going to create a 2D shape. Then we initiate the new path, or you can say the new shape. Then we place the starting point, which is 120. Then we define other coordinates like 180 and 100, 20 and 100, 20 and 100. And then the next one is, oh okay, I think this one is repeated because we don't need it. Yeah, so 120 is there, that is fine. Okay, fine. So now if you save this and refresh your browser, why it is not coming? Because we have not set the stroke yet. So to set the stroke, we will write here ctx dot stroke. Okay, and that's it. Now you can save it and refresh your browser. So once you refresh your browser, you will see that a perfect triangle has been drawn on the canvas. Okay, so this is how we can set the coordinates for drawing the canvas, for drawing a triangle on a canvas. Clear? Now let's say if you want to fill something here, maybe the color or anything. So what we can do, we can simply write here ctx dot fill style, like maybe a red, and ctx dot fill, save it, refresh it. So you can see now your shape is filled with a red color, but mostly like we can keep it prior to this also, so that it is up to you, but please try to maintain a proper hierarchy of the code so that it looks good. Okay, so this is how we can create a simple triangle on a canvas using JavaScript. Okay, I hope this session is clear to all of you. And now today's question is like how we can set the starting point for drawing a rectangle, or maybe trapezoid. Okay, so please do share your knowledge for this question in the comment section. Those who will provide the consistent correct answer will be spotlighted in the upcoming sessions. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.